Sister says, can a wife deny her husband intimacy because he's financially not providing for her? The scholars say that when a woman does not provide, that is not being provided for by her husband, she has an option of two. Either she can file for divorce and separation because this is her God-given right. Why is the man better and more superior and in control than a woman? Allah says in the Quran, الرجال قوامون على النساء بما فضل الله بعضهم على بعض وبما أنفقوا من أموالهم. Men are guardian, are superior to women due to what Allah has favored the men with and due to what they have paid and given from their wealth. So this is the contract. This is the exchange. The woman doesn't work, doesn't provide for her family, doesn't do anything but stay at home, mom and wife, giving her husband his rights, providing that the husband is giving her her rights. And on the top of the list of her rights is the financial allowance, providing for her a house, adequate food, adequate clothes, and medical expenses. If the guy is broke, she's instructed to be tolerant, wait maybe a month or two, he'll find a job. But if he's a whole year, for example, not working and unable to provide, and he's asking her to go and work, no, definitely she goes straight to the Muslim court and the judge would give her separation and divorce after she proves this. No questions asked. If she says, well, I don't want to divorce him because he's my husband and the father of my children and I don't have anywhere to go. So what to do? Option two, you may stay, but you are also entitled to deny him intimacy, because if he doesn't provide for you, you're not obliged to reciprocate with his desires. Yet having said that, any wise woman would weigh the pros and cons. Okay, you don't want to divorce. You don't want to go back to your parents' house. But by refusing him, maybe he would become defiant. Maybe he would become more stubborn and would cause more trouble in your marriage, which would inevitably end in divorce. So is this what you want? Is he truly unable to provide for you and your children because he's lazy, or because seriously he's looking but there are no jobs? So you have to weigh the pros and cons before making any such haste decision, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.